Anthem is creating a Wales in which music can empower every young life.
Every young person deserves the chance to explore what music can do for them. And we're here to help remove barriers to accessing music for young people across Wales. And we're doing that in a range of different ways.
The Anthem family is bringing together everyone who shares our passion to support projects and funds that can make a real difference. This year, we launched our @Sign Fund, directly supporting youth music projects across Wales that address barriers to music for young people. Here are some of our current grantees.
I'm Carol Blade and I'm the company manager for Sound Progression, which is a youth development organisation based in Cardiff. Having an organisation like Anthem in Wales is, it's vital for the development of young artists. Without it, Wales was sadly sort of lagged behind. So it's really important that there is this momentum moving forward to support our talents.
Track Cymru is intending to run some of our residential groups again in the future, but we also want to deliver things at a community level. So we've been really excited to access this funding through Anthem, which will help us to reach some young people in Rhondda Cynon Taf and in Newport City as well.
We're also supporting young people directly through our strategic partnership projects, our youth forum and our Anthem Digital Gateway. And we're also advocating for music, stressing the importance and the value of music for young people in Wales.
It's definitely growing, but of course, where there's growth, there's always room for improvement.
Our latest project is the Anthem Gateway, an online platform created specifically to help young people in Wales to understand and explore music industry.
It'd be good to have something in place to help young people bridge that gap into a place where they could get more opportunities.
People who maybe don't have those connections, it's harder to kind of get any opportunities kind of thing. I think it would be good to be a bit more kind of out there, almost like people who don't know about the scene, here's the scene kind of thing.
You too can join the Anthem family. Come and support us by working with us or by donating and showing just how much you believe in the value of music for young people.